Hey, it's Brittany and we're here at Epcot. Happy Vlogmas in July. We are having an Epcot morning. We're literally heading over to Guardians right now. So hopefully we'll get a good song this time. And then we're just gonna hang out in the park. It is extremely hot. It is summer here in Florida. But we are here, we're gonna have a blast and we're taking you along with us. So let's go. Also, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. All right, we are in. We are heading over to Guardians. Whoop whoop. Wonder what song we're gonna get. Hopefully September or what's the one you haven't got? Oh, Everybody Wants to Rule the World. Yep. Brian hasn't gotten yet, so.
I don't think I've gotten September either.
I haven't either. I want September first and foremost because we haven't gotten it yet, but Iran would be fine.
Actually, we got that last time.
You got Iran again? It's a good one. It's always a good one.
Please just not Conga.
I know. Like every single one is fine, but Conga. Oh, that's hilarious. How long is the wait for Spaceship Earth? It doesn't look bad. 15? 20? 15. Nice. Not too busy yet. It's getting busy though. Lots of people piling in. Not too busy though. It's a hot one.
It's the hot.
It's the humidity. Today it's the humidity.
Nice that we get Guardians.
Easiest way to get through Guardians is cut through Connections right when you enter the park, and then you're right here. The other way you have to go all the way around. So, wayfinding, cut through Connections right when you get in. But we should be able to just walk right in, which is exciting. Always a good time. I wish they had this walkway open. It looks like they're preparing for it to be a regular queue soon. Ooh, I wonder how long. I wonder if they'll be at the end of summer. That will be interesting. Juicy tip here. Might be a regular queue coming soon. All right, we ready to scan in? Yeah. Go around to where we can. You can scan in on the right there. You can scan in there. Go ahead. Littles first. Thank you. All right, also tip, almost all of them you can scan in, so don't be stuck. Ooh, monorail. Staying in one line. It's okay, she'll catch up. Good AC? Good AC. All right. She's coming, you're fine, she'll catch up. Ooh, the line is not long today. Last time we waited all the way at the door. This is great. This floor is so sparkly. Mom will catch up. Just keep going. You're good. She's fine. She's a big girl. She knows how to do it. She's a coming. Love it. Yeah, this line isn't long at all. This will be great. I'll let you guys know what song we get.
It'll work. So long as you are standing inside the lighted ring. You do not want to know what happened last time someone did not stand where I told them to, okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go.
This is taking 10 hours.
You made it. I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
The jump point is closing.
Wait, no, you're Nova Point to follow that. Whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power's down, and I've got to get these terrorists onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I reprogrammed the shuttles to follow through the jump point.
Wait,
what? Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job. until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
What?
There's cake.
Where's this cake? The odds are impossible,
Yeah.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, me. You got this.
Best part.
First it was cake, now there is toast. This plan is making
Makes me so hungry. Alright, here we go. As always, front row! Woo! Woo, woo, woo. Push up on your lap bar. Awesome, we're ready to go. Woohoo. Here we go.
Okay, headed for the jump point. This plan is never gonna work. Rocket! Well, okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Heck yeah!
What's useless to follow?
Whoa,
What is that noise?
noise!
No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
Ah!
What have we
Here's
done?
the beer! Yeah! What are we gonna get? Yeah!
You gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
I ran! I ran!
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention?
Launch number 2!
We have him contained, but not for long.
Remind me to raise that rate.
I've been so far away.
Thanks, Terrence.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room on our ship for these people.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then welcome to the Guardians.
Woo!
Where's the cake toast?
We got Iran again. Again, if I wasn't one of the new ones, I'm glad we got Iran, because that's such a good song. But I was hoping to get September one day. One day. August, September. It's, it'll happen. It'll happen, I believe it. I believe it. But it was good. Iran was great. Alright, we're heading over to the land pavilion to ride Soarin' and maybe Living with the Land, but we'll see. Whoop whoop. It's a hot day. But in this breezeway, it feels really nice. Not gonna lie. Whee! Alright. Ooh, the AC in here is awesome. We're gonna go this way. Oh, oh. Alright. Yeah, it's no longer the AP Lounge. I think it's just regular seating. No more AP Lounge. Nope, that's it. Only for June. It's July now. The Garden Grill. I still want to eat there one day. Whoop whoop. What? No, that's tomorrow. Going this way. There we go. Escalator. Living with the Land is only 5 minutes. I know. That's alright. We're gonna go to Soarin' first. And hop, hop, hop. Go, hurry. Alright, when you come off the elevator or the escalator, you turn right. And there is Soarin'. Right over here. Not too bad. Let's see what the wait time is. At least it's AC, so 30 minutes. That's super short. Let's go. 30 minutes. Heck yeah. Love it. No, that just means it's 11. People can come in for 11:45. All right. We are in line. It says 30 minutes. We shall see. I will let y'all know. In this queue, you also can be on your phone and do a quiz game from around the world, like a little trivia game. It's pretty good. It's pretty nice. Via the Play Disney Parks app. So if you're coming, download that app. It's actually really fun. We are in literally the worst seats possible you could possibly. We're in Concourse C in the 3rd row.
Hello, welcome to Soarin. My name is Patrick.
Hi,
I'll be your
Patrick.
Chief flight attendant today. We'll begin
AKA
boarding
Kronk.
in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the underseat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties.
Best part.
Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. If smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat,
These babes.
just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling.
So old.
Nice work, pal. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights,
Middle is like the best.
Whee! Yeah, this is the worst spot possible. The very edge. I'm on the end. It'll be fine. Ah!
we are ready for takeoff.
Here we go. Here we go. Woo! Yay! Oh yeah, this I can see the screen. And feet. Woo! I know, it's not the best. Hey, we only waited 20 minutes, we're fine. Oh yeah, you can see everything over here. That's hilarious. Alright, we'll go back to the ride. Woo, boo, 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 beep. Polar bears, splash!
This is Mommy's favorite part.
Splish, splash, they were taking a bath. Oh, little baby.
Oh, here's Mommy's favorite. I guess to see her favorite.
Orca! Woo!
My favorite animal as well.
Smells like dirt. Woo! Grass. Woo! Uh-oh, here we go. Woo! Bang, bang, bang. Ba, ba, ba. So pretty. Whoa! This is weird being this low. Ah! Horses. Around, around. Whee! It's twisted. Woo! Taj Mahal. Such a curve. Ooh, it smells like. It smells good. That's a good smell. Get it, Mickey. Yeah! It's so tilted. I love it so much. It's amazing. Ah! Ooh, ocean.
Oh, that's my favorite. That's a good smell.
It's a good smell. It's a good smell. It's a solid smell.
There
Hopefully they'll change it to New Epcot once it's done being redone. Living with the land, only 5 minutes. Come on, and watch out! Silly goose. All right, a 5-minute wait. It's literally a walk-on. I love this. Whoop whoop. Into the greenhouse we go. Dragon fruit.
Welcome to our living laboratory.
So pretty in
Where
here.
scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture are exploring innovative ways to produce valuable harvests
Rice,
now
nice.
and into the future.
Ooh, yum, pineapple. Yummy, yummy. Lots of rice.
The tropics are home
Ooh,
to
plumeria.
the greatest diversity of plants on the planet. Many of these, like
Oh, pretty.
bananas, cacao, coffee, and rice, are well known around the world.
Papaya. Yum, look at that
These are
papaya.
just a few of the edible plants that have been
Yum.
an important source of nutrition for people living in the tropics. Many are rich in vitamins and minerals, while others are well adapted to growing.
It's a cool
in
fountain.
ideal
It's nice. Water lilies.
Like
Those
the
are pretty.
water lily, thrive in wet, swampy areas and waterways. All parts of this
Look at the hidden Mickey
the flower
of
petals
succulents.
incredible.
The succulent
The structures of the
Right
plant
there.
has long been used
Oh, they say you didn't see it. Nice. Mickey.
one day. Many of these lesser-known tropical
Mickey. Ah, the succulents. Cool.
sides of the road.
Very cool. Ooh, vanilla back there. Nice. Fluted pumpkins. Those are cool. Very nice.
Fruit in the world.
Yeah. They're cool looking.
Things that we
What?
saw on one of the pictures.
Oh, you did? Nice.
Banana.
Banana. Banana.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Yum, yum.
Steve,
Fishes. Tilapia. Got some hybrid bass. And then the hose Mickey. Hose hidden Mickey. Yeah, there you go. Hidden Mickey over here. Oh my goodness, that's adorable. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's super cute. I don't remember either. That's cute though.
no, I didn't.
There's a Mickey on the other side too. Cute, 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 cute.
While there are more than 20,000 edible plant species in the world,
Ooh, Mickey.
are only familiar with the chemicals
Cool.
that make up our everyday diet.
Nice.
Grains growing here. Maize, sorghum,
Swiss
and
chard.
millet, plus rice, account for nearly
Cotton back
2/3
there.
of our
Nice.
global food consumption. Learning how to increase
Sunflowers.
is an important. With it, we can produce over 27,000
More Mickey lettuce.
lettuces
This
a
one's
year
better.
in this one small
Actually looks like
area.
Mickey. Ooh. It's just growing. That's there too. It's happening.
Edible.
Edible flowers. Yum yum. So many pretty flowers right now.
Tomato trees.
So many flowers. Nice. Oh, those are yummy.
There's lettuce spinning.
Spinning lettuce.
Some of our best ideas have been inspired by nature.
Heading over to Creations to look at for some merch. Try to find that Goofy Movie shirt. See if it has my size. If they have my size yet. And then we're gonna have some food. So much is happening in this construction. We're going vertical. I'm wondering what these little pillars are. I wonder if they're gonna light up. That'll be cool. Looks like they have like the spaceship Earth pattern on them. So this is gonna be awesome. I'm super excited. It looks really cool though. Okay, heading into Creations. Ooh, it's hot. Not too bad, but it is warm. You coming with me? Oh, and the girls. Are you coming with me or with Mama? Okay. I got Miss Emmy with me. You coming with me, girl? All right. They still have the Pride merch. What's up? There's chocolate coins. Is that what you're gonna get?
Yeah.
Awesome.
You want me to get you one?
No, I'm trying to find a specific shirt that I saw earlier. It's a Powerline Goofy Movie shirt. Oh, it looks like they're sold out. I don't see it at all. It was over here, but I think they sold out of it. Yep, I don't see it. It was pink. Yeah, what? Which one do you like? The I Lava You? That is very cute, huh?
No.
That's adorable. But yeah, I don't see the shirt I want. I think they're out of it. I knew it would sell out pretty fast. Like a pink power line. They don't have my shirt at all. They're sold out. I can't find it. We'll have to look at Magic tomorrow. Or Springs. No, but it's bright pink, so you'd be able to see it. It's bright pink and it has it's a Goofy movie. Yeah. So it's very popular. These chocolate coins? Yum yum. Purple ones? There's some purple in here. Oh, that one's open. Never mind. Ew. Let's see if there's anything new. Let me look. See if there's anything new. I still love all of these Bigfoot plushies. They're literally the cutest. They have Bolt. Oh my goodness, this red panda is so fluffy and cute. Oh, and they have oh my goodness. Bigfooted orange bird. I can't. They're so cute. It's so cute. And they have a boo over here as well. Adorable. So cute. I'm trying to see if there's anything new. Little monorail toys. I don't know if there's anything that new. But here's the limited edition magic bands if you're looking for them. You gotta ask somebody for them. But there they are. Let's see, is anything new in the Vera Bradley collection? Oh, this is new. I haven't seen this guy. This little snow purse. That's really cute. I really like those. Let's see what else I can see. The really pretty Cinderella purses. Let me look. Some cool housewares. Oh, this is cute. Is these pajamas? Stop. Those are adorable. Oh my gosh, look at this little onesie. It's so tiny. He's so small. A new cup. Oh, it lights up. Very cool. How much is the cup? $27.99. Oh yeah, and it lights up. That's really cute. Because they still have all the Pride merch out. I don't think there's too much new, but yeah, I'm sad about my shirt. Maybe I'll find it at a different park, which is totally fine. Oh, they also have, okay, I gotta show you the Bigfoot Porg. They had an Ewok at one point, which is really cool. It looks like they only have the Porgs. I really wanted the Ewok, but I don't need a stuffy, even though they're cute. They also have the Been There series mugs here as well. And a, Death Star mug. It's cute. It's cute. It's cute. All right. I don't really see anything else that's new in here, at least. Sad about my shirt, but I will keep looking. I will keep looking for it. But it's got to be around. I'm sure I'll find it somewhere. But cute stuff. Cute stuff. Especially little stuffies. Try to find the girls. Hold on. Oh, found them. They're over here. But I gotta go get my food soon, so. But soup's cute. All right, we mobile order at Connection, so I'm just waiting for it to be ready, but we are basically done. They got their chocolate coins. We're just waiting for our food. Let's go find a seat. As always, we got the General Tso's chicken salad and a water, and the girls gave me a chocolate coin each, so that's really nice. I was like, heck yeah, chocolate coin, we're doing it. Also, it was super busy in here. We had to fight to get a table. It's bad. Woo. It's summertime. It's peak season. We can really feel it. But I'm very hungry.
One Daisy and
Solid salad.
2 100s. So now only have
Great portion, great price, great flavor, really good chicken.
I got one missing. You know what?
10 out of 10. We always get this. It's so good.
Daisies
They're counting their coins.
and 200.
All right, we just had our lunch. We actually headed over to the monorail because I want to see all the construction from the monorail. So we're gonna go do that. So here we go. Okay, we're gonna hop on the monorail, take it all the way around to Magic Kingdom and back, and we're gonna see all the new construction over at Epcot, which is gonna be awesome. It's super exciting. There's a lot that you can see just walking around the park, so I'm excited to get a bird's eye view of everything. Woo! Basically us in like another party on this monorail. Look at those three. Look at how cute they are. Whee! Whee! Alright, coming up on some construction updates. Just passing Spaceship Earth. Give it a second. Ooh, fast connections.
Alright, so it's next to Mission Space, okay? 59 minutes.
It's a nice bird's eye view. Look at Spaceship Earth. Clouds are coming in. Whoa, look at all that construction. Look at that. That's so cool. Wow, there's a lot happening. Look at all that. Wow, there's so much going on. It's awesome. I don't know what those are going to be, but they're going to be cool. See if we can see the Moana area over here. Wow, look at all those buildings. Very cool. It's happening. It's happening. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa. Oh, look at all of that. That's going to be so cool. It's literally done. Like, they're just walking through. That's awesome. Very cool. Spaceship Earth. And with that look at all the construction here at Epcot, we are done for the day. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Oh, the littles want to say bye. Ah! All right, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Comment down below for the giveaway. And I'll see you guys real soon.
subscribe.
Oh, subscribe. Thanks. Okay, bye.